Mabuhay, or in Kapampangan Luwid kayo. Today, I will be answering some questions from Volcano Diamond Press. Let's begin. I am 27 years old and I was born and raised in Angeles City, formerly known as Culiac. So shout out to my fellow Angeleños out there. I see you. And I moved here to California back in 2004 when I was 14, right before I turned 15. So that would be around a little over 12 years ago. So I started my first YouTube channel a long time ago, back in 2005. And I've only really decided to really take it off and launch a new channel in 2012. I felt like I needed a fresh start and I wanted to create more educational, informative, and relevant videos instead of just vlogging about my life at the dorms in college as a college student, like what I used to do. So what I hope to accomplish in this new channel that I started in 2012 is to spread knowledge and raise awareness on topics and issues that I passionately care for, especially topics that are often left out by the mainstream media. And just like what Tupac, a wise poet, once said, I'm not saying that I'm gonna change the world, but I guarantee that I will spark the brain that will change the world. So yeah, through my videos, I hope to spark someone's mind into helping make this world a better place. Ever since I was a little boy back in the motherland in Endong, Kapampangan, I've always been passionate and I've always been interested in the current and the latest cultural and social-political events and topics and issues. And I believe it's partly due to my own family's involvement in public service. And now that I'm 27, my own educational background as a historian and in becoming a scholar in ethnic studies, I feature Kapampangan topics a lot because we don't learn enough about our own roots. And it does not matter whether you're in the Philippines or here in the United States, rarely do we actually learn about our own people and our own histories. The mainstream narrative and the dominant discourse tend to favor a dominant group over the others. And in doing so, they're effectively marginalizing these other groups, or even worse, tokenizing them and appropriating their culture. And in a diverse country like the Philippines, it is extremely important for us to acknowledge such diversity and give our diverse people, our diverse indigenous people and colorful cultures the proper recognition and appreciation that they all deserve. And as for myself, I am constantly learning a lot more about our own people and our own roots. So it is only right for me to share such knowledge and spread such understanding in a medium that I feel comfortable with, and the one that is easily accessible to anyone who wishes to learn, hence my YouTube channel and Facebook page. So for me, my videos are my own ways of helping promote and preserve our culture, our language, our histories, our heritage, our identities. And it is also a unique way of providing an outlet for people or anyone who wants to learn more about their roots, and a way of fostering an open-minded discourse and understanding of certain issues or topics that we don't usually hear about or talk about. The best comment I've gotten so far would probably be those hater comments and bashing about what I wear and my hand gestures. But kidding aside, the most memorable comment I've gotten so far was when I posted this video about Mary Jane Veloso's mother, Nanay Celia. I did not expect to hear from Nanay Celia herself. So the same day I posted the video, Nanay Celia happened to be with an activist who was a friend of mine on Facebook. And he relayed Nanay Celia's heartfelt gratitude towards my video. And it really touched me. I had tears while reading her message, and I rarely cry. At least not in public. And her comments made me feel validated. That yes, no matter how much bashing, no matter how many haters I get from posting my videos, no matter how controversial my videos may be, my videos are needed and valued. And it gives me hope that one way or another, my videos can indeed spark someone's mind and indeed help make this world a better place. So to Nanay Celia, if you're watching this video, maraming salamat po. At naway makamtan ninyo at ng inyong pamilya ang katarungan sa lalong madaling panahon. my process in making a video? Step 1. I wake up. Step 2. I think about things. Step 3. I write down my thoughts. Step 4. I make a video. And step 5. I share it to the world. Yep, just 5 simple steps. But not really. I don't really have a set process into making a video. Sometimes I write a script about a certain topic, but I don't really film it until weeks later when I feel confident enough that I can give it justice and deliver the right message. But sometimes I write a piece and I cannot wait to share it to the world, so I film it right away. But most of the time, I would be at the gym or swimming some laps, or sometimes even at work. Don't tell my boss. And then I get an idea. I start having ideas of what I want to talk about and how to better deliver the message. So immediately I start writing in my head and then film it when I get home. Ideas come to me naturally and spontaneously. Like I said, I don't really have a set plan on what to do with my videos or when to make them. I just do what I feel like doing when I'm in the mood for it or when it is really needed. And of course, when I have the time and energy for it. So before I get into that question, I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to everyone, to all my subscribers, to all my supporters, even my haters, and everyone who follows me on my social media pages. Thank you so much for your constructive criticisms and your support. And I hope to hear and learn more from you, from all of you. And I will do my best to keep up with my videos. And if there's any topic or any issue that you would like me to address, just hit me up. Please don't hesitate to message me on my Facebook page or comment on my videos. Because I do read the comments. Maybe not all, but most of it. And if you haven't done so, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/thekirbynoodle, and like my Facebook page at facebook.com/kirbynoodle, or just search Kirby Araullo. And you may also follow me on my personal Twitter and Instagram accounts at Araullo. And you may also follow my Tumblr at www.kirbyaraullo.tumblr.com. And I also hope to launch my own website hopefully sometime soon, so keep in touch and stay tuned. And I guess that is it for me today. Lakalpong salamat. And until next time, kita kits! O in Kapampangan, Mickey Ticks. Bye!